How to make a corporate cloud TV. Hi guys, I'm Paulo Cesar, support specialist at JMV Technology, and today we're going to explore the amazing functionality of corporate cloud TV and how it can revolutionize internal communication in companies. Corporate TV plays a key role in disseminating information, promoting engagement, and aligning teams with organizational goals. Let's find out how cloud integration can take this tool to a new level of efficiency and practicality. Corporate TV is a powerful tool to keep employees informed, engaged, and aligned with the company's culture, transmitting news, updates, internal events, and leadership messages in a dynamic and accessible way. In addition, it contributes to the alignment of teams with the company's objectives, reinforcing values, goals, and strategies through impactful and relevant visual content. Integrating with the cloud allows for enhanced flexibility and accessibility, enabling you to manage and update content remotely and instantly from anywhere at any time without the dependence on physical or local infrastructure. Furthermore, it enables scalability to effortlessly expand the infrastructure as the business grows, with no need for added hardware investments, leading to decreased implementation, maintenance, and operational costs. With cloud-based corporate TV, you can schedule and customize content playlists according to your company's particular needs, providing a custom experience for viewers. In summary, corporate cloud TV offers numerous benefits, from increased flexibility and scalability to reduced costs and advanced analytics capabilities, becoming an essential tool for modern businesses seeking efficient and impactful internal communication. Transform your company's internal communication today. Discover our solution JMV Content, which supplements your program schedule with daily news from top news portals, and see how JMV Technology can assist you in achieving your goals. Visit our website or scan the QR code for more information on our cloud corporate TV solutions, and don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on content like this.